Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear MS Word users, looking to work more efficiently tuning in. The right shortcuts can improve both speed and productivity in MS Word. Here's something helpful for you: top MS Word shortcuts to work faster, from Youthbuddy. MS Word is one of the most widely used tools for creating documents, assignments, reports, and business materials. Many users rely heavily on the mouse, but keyboard shortcuts can improve speed, efficiency, and overall productivity. If you are just getting started, focus on a few essential shortcuts first. Ctrl+C copies content, Ctrl+V pastes it, and Ctrl+X cuts selected text or objects. Ctrl+Z helps undo mistakes, Ctrl+Y restores actions that were previously undone. Formatting shortcuts are equally important when working with documents. Ctrl+B makes text bold, Ctrl+I applies italics, and Ctrl+U underlines selected content. Saving your work regularly is important, and Ctrl+S allows you to do that instantly. Ctrl+P opens the print menu, making it easy to review and print documents when needed. For document management, Ctrl+N creates a new document, and Ctrl+O opens an existing file. Navigation shortcuts can help you move through large documents more efficiently. Ctrl+F opens the Find tool, Ctrl+H opens Replace, and Ctrl+G allows you to jump to specific locations. The Find and Replace tools can save considerable time when updating names, dates, or repeated information throughout a document. When working with lengthy documents, Ctrl+Home moves to the beginning and Ctrl+End moves to the end. Ctrl+Enter is also useful for inserting page breaks without manually adding blank lines. Page breaks help maintain professional formatting and prevent content from shifting unexpectedly between pages. Paragraph formatting shortcuts can improve document presentation and readability. Ctrl+E centers text, Ctrl+L aligns left, Ctrl+R aligns right, and Ctrl+J justifies paragraphs. For document structure, Ctrl+M increases indentation, while Ctrl+Shift+M decreases it. Proper indentation can improve document organization and make reports, notes, and structured content easier to read. Several function keys can also improve productivity. F7 starts spell checking, F12 opens Save As, and Shift+F7 opens the thesaurus for alternative words. These tools are especially useful when preparing assignments, reports, resumes, and business documents. A simple learning roadmap works best. Beginners should master copy, paste, cut, save, and undo shortcuts first. Intermediate users can focus on formatting, navigation, search, and paragraph alignment shortcuts. Advanced users should become comfortable with document organization, editing tools, and productivity-focused function keys. Start with a few shortcuts, use them consistently, and gradually expand your knowledge over time. Small improvements in efficiency can create significant time savings across assignments, reports, and professional work. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.